Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the handling the missing values in machine learning using Python part 3. So the main concept here is predicting the missing values with Python. So how can we predict the missing values by using the Python? So here it is using the other features in the dataset which don't have the null values that can be used to predict the missing values. So which means if you're taking this some kind of dataset, simple data set, for example column A, column A, column B, column C. So this data has no missing values, there is no missing values. So here only missing values are there, means here null values are there. So means, so using the other features, which don't have the null values. So here column A, column B means these two features have the no missing values. So by using this feature A and feature B means these two features does not have the missing values. So by using these features we have to predict this missing values of the column C. So that is the meaning of the sentence. So using the other features. So other features means here A and B which does not have the missing values, null values, which can be used to predict the missing values. So missing values means here the null values of the column C. So here the regression or classification models can be used to predict the missing values. So it depends upon the nature. Nature in the sense it is a categorical data type or it is a continuous data type of the features having the missing values. So means depends upon the feature. So for example, the missing value of this feature, it is a categorical feature or the continuous feature. So depends upon the nature of the feature, we have to predict the missing values. So here this method gives the better results than other models. So let's see what are the steps we have to follow to predict the missing values. So here step 1, separate the null values from the data frame. So those the separated null values can be considered as the test data. So means the step 1 meaning, suppose this is the data frame. So in this data frame has A, B, C, three features. So in the features, for example, the dataset shape is 20 by 3, for example from 0 to 19. So in the feature, this feature C has some missing values, null values are the existed. So separate those missing values from the data frame. So this is the data frame DF. So in this data frame where the missing values are there, for example here there are 5 missing values. 5 missing values out of the 20 observations. So we have to separate the what are the missing values are there. So here 5 missing values are there means we have to separate the 5 missing values and keep it separate. So second step, drop the null values. So second step, drop the null values from the data frame and consider as the train data. So in step 1, separate the null values from the data frame and consider the test data. So this data set has the same ABC. So this data frame can be considered as the test data. This data frame can be considered as test data with missing values, and from the data frame we have to separate. So this is also be feature A, feature B, feature C, but this feature shape is 15 by 3. 15 means out of 20 observations, 5 observations have the missing values, so rest of the 15 observations no missing values. So this data frame can be considered as the train data. This data frame can be considered as a training data. So that is the meaning of the step 2. So drop the null values. So drop the null values. Drop the null values from the data frame. So this is the main data frame and considered as the train data. So this part can be considered as the train data and this part can be considered as the test data. So step 3, create the X train, and Y train from the train data. So in this train data we have to create the X train and Y train. So here the missing value column is C. So missing value column is class C. That's why this feature can be considered as the so this part can be considered as the X train, and this part can be considered as the Y train. So X train means we have to consider the feature A and feature B. Feature A and feature B means 15 observations by 3 columns. So here Y train can consider as 15 observations only. So here these two features can be considered as the X train. This feature C can be considered as the Y train. So that is the meaning of step 3. And step 4, build the linear regression model. So build the linear regression model by using this X train and Y train, and create the, and we have step 5. What is the meaning of step 5? Create the X test from the test part. So from the test part, this is the test part. In this test part we have to create the X test. So this is the part belongs to X test. This is the X test. So X test can contain the data frame only A and B with shape 5, 2. Actually test data shape is 5 by 3. So but from the test data we have to create the X test, that is the 5, 2, and apply the model on the X test of the test data and make the predictions. So step 7, replace the missing values. So replace the missing values with the predicted values. So here in the test data, column C has the missing values. So these missing values are replaced with this predicted values. So that is the step. So don't be panic. So with this practicals I will explain step by step. So this is the steps. So separate the null values from the data frame and consider as the test data. So first I'm importing the required libraries. So next I'm considering the simple data set. So let's see, I'm showing here my simple data set. So the data set contains the 3 features. Experience is one feature, and salary is one more feature, and age is the one more feature. So in these 3 features, uh, only missing values will be there in feature age, but there is no missing values in feature experience and salary. So this data set shape is simple, 20 rows and 3 columns. So by using this data frame we are going to predict the missing values. So in step, so here I am importing the data frame. So here see, my data set is experience, salary and age. So here my data set shape is 20 by 3, 20 rows, 3 columns. So df.info, if you observe 20 entries with 0 to 19. So experience is one feature, has the 20 no null values, and salary is also one more feature. This feature has no missing values, means there is no missing values. So feature age only 15 non null values, which means there is a 5 missing values So if you see df dot is null dot sum 0 means there is no missing values. Under the experience, under the salary there is a missing value, but under the age feature there is a 5 missing values. So we have to follow these steps for predicting the missing values. So step 1, separate the null values from the data frame and consider as a test data. So before going to separate the null values, first let's see our data frame df. So this df has 0 to 19. Index means 20 observations. In the 20 observations, index number 5 has the missing value, and index number 6 has the missing value, and index number 13 and 14 has the missing values, and index number 16 has the missing value. Total 5 missing values are existed in this data frame. So from this data frame we have to separate the null values. So separate the null values means to separate the null values of the age feature and consider as a test data. So for that purpose by using this command. So if you see test data, this test data can contain only missing values. So which means so this test data is separated from the data frame. So data frame is shape is from 0 to 19 means 20 observations. After 20 observations, index number 5, index number 6, index number 13, index number 14, index number 16 has the missing values. These are all are missing values. So this is the data set we have to consider as the test data set. So this test data set contains the null values. So that is the step 1. Step 2, drop the null values from the data frame and consider as the train data. So from the df means the data frame. So this is the data frame. In this data frame we have to drop this all are missing values means this missing values we have to drop it and consider as the train data. So let's see, observe this data frame. So this data frame contains from 0 to 19, but here there is no observation from index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is existed, but 5 is not existed. Why? Because 5 contains the null value. So which means in this data frame there is no missing values. So there is be considered as the train data. So train data means rows means observations from the data frame where column age does not have the missing values. So here age is the feature. This feature does not have the any missing values. So there is a meaning of the train data. So this train data shape is 15,3. Next, check the missing values from the train data. Let's suppose in this training data any missing values are existed or not. Let's see. So there is no missing values from this data frame. So this data frame does not, this data frame means this is the train data. So this train data does not have the missing values. So this data frame shape is 15,3. So now, so till now what we did till now, this is the data frame. So this data frame contains the experience, salary and age. So this data set shape is 20 by 3. So in this data frame we have to separate the missing values. So it means the same. E means experience, S means salary, A means age. So this data frame shape is 5 by 3. this data frame contains the null values NA, NaN, NaN. So this data frame can be considered as the test data. This data frame considered as test data. So in this data frame we have to separate the one more table. So here also be experience, salary and age. This data frame shape is 15,3 with here no missing values. So this data always are filled. So means this is the train data, this is the test data. This test data contain missing values. So this train data does not have null values. So this is the step 2. So step 3, create the X train and Y train from the train data. So from the train data means 15,3. So in this train data we have to create the X train and Y train. So here create the first Y train. So Y train means rows from the df of age with non-null values. With non-null values means df of age we have to assign to the Y train. So Y train means so this part we have to consider as the Y train, and this part we have to consider as the X train. So let's see. See, this is the data frame. So here in cell number 14, df of age. So df of age means this is the Y train. So Y train means this is the rows from the df of age with no missing values. So in this data set there is no missing values. Shape is 15,3. What is mean by X train? X train means this is the X train means data set except the df of age feature with non-missing values. So which means cell number 17 and cell number 18. So this cell number 18 result 15,2. This is the nothing but 15,2. So 15,2 means only experience and salary. These two features can be considered as the X train, and this X train means what is that mean of X train? Data set except the age df of age means except this age feature with non-null values. So that is the meaning of this X train. So next step 5. Step 5 means prepare the machine learning model. So we are predicting the age feature, means that is the continuous value. That's why we are supposed to apply the linear regression on the training data set and predict the missing values in the age feature. So for that purpose we are using the from sklearn linear model input the linear regression. So we are using the linear regression model. So we have to train the linear regression model by using this X train and Y train. So X train and Y train means X train means this X train means 15,2. So this is the X train, this is the Y train. Y train means 15, only 15. So we have to train the model on this data set. We have to train the model. So now the model was trained. So step 5, create the X test from the test data. So create the X-test from the test data means we have to execute this cell number 21 from the test data. From the test data we have to drop the feature age and consider as a text data. So which means see, what does it mean of X-test? So X-test means a data set except the df of age feature with null values, which means so this is the X-test. This is the X-test. So X-test means it contains the shape is 5, 2. So this is the meaning. So X-test means so data set except this feature. So except this feature with null values. So here the target age is a feature containing the missing value. So except this missing values, we have to consider only experience salary of the test data set. That shape is 5, 2. If you see the X-test shape is only 5, 2. So now step number 6, apply the model on X-test and predict the missing values. So here apply the model on X-test, we can get the Y predicted values. So this is the Y predicted values, and if you see the predicted shape only 5. So here by using this model, so here so we have to train the model in this thing. So we got the model, this model is applied on X-test, we got the Y-pred. So Y-pred shape is only 5. So now we have to step 7, replace the missing values with the predicted values. So here this is the missing values are there in this part. So this part is called the Y-test. So Y-test, so Y-test of test data. So Y-test means only a df of age under the test data. So this contains the 5 missing values. So wherever the missing values are there, we have to replace the missing values with these predicted values. So that is the step number 7. Let's execute this step number 7. You can understand clearly. So this is the test data. If you see the test data here, so index number 5, experience 10 and salary 50,000 and filled with 41. So if you, before you go to here test data, so this is the test data. This test data contain the index number 5, 6, 13, 14 and 16 with these 3 features. In these 3 features, among the 3 features, age feature contain the missing values. This age feature contain the missing values. So now in cell number 9, this is the result of the test data. So after applying the replace the missing values with the predicted values. So here replace the missing value with the predicted values. So predicted value here, what is the predicted value here? So this is the predicted values. So this is the predicted values. So these predicted values are filled here. See first 41.10, 41.10. Next predicted value here 40.5594, 40.5594 like that. So here step number 7, replace the missing values with the predicted values. So this is the way we have to predict the missing values by using the model. So depends upon the type of the feature, we have to apply the either regression or classification model. So this is the lecture about the predicting the missing values by using the linear regression model. Thank you.